Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. So today I have yet another innovative and exciting recipe for you. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell for all my future recipes. See you in my next recipe. So let's begin. We begin with half a cup of coconut flour. Put that into a mixing bowl. And to that, we are going to add 3 tablespoons of whole psyllium husk. Put it in, give it a good mix. And now we are going to add a few chopped up stuff, which is 1 onion finely chopped, a bunch of coriander or chopped up finely, and 1 or 2 green chillies again chopped up finely. If you don't want the green chillies, don't put it. Half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. All these will really help. Oh yeah, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. All this will help in masking the taste of coconut flour. You will get all the different masala flavors. Now, hot piping water is what we need, and we put in 1 cup. Give it a good mix, and we are going to put in another cup. Some of you might need 1.5 cups, some might need 2, according to how much water your coconut flour and psyllium husk pulls in. Just see that it comes into a nice smooth ball dough. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can also use ghee or butter. Ghee would actually be the best in a parantha. So give it all a nice mix. Oh, I forgot the salt. So 1 teaspoon of salt, in that goes. Mix it again. Bring it into a bowl and allow it to rest for about 10-15 minutes. And now we are making it into balls and leaving it in the bowl. You can rest it after you make the balls or before. It's up to you. So I've got 8 balls out of this. And if you want to make smaller ones, then because you can use this as flatbread, really tasty flatbread, then you will get smaller ones. You might get 10. Bigger ones, you might get 6. So just depends on how much you want to roll it out. And if you want to make it that perfect round, of course I've rolled it between 2 parchment papers. If you want to make it that perfect round, take something round, take away the edges and all that extra little bits that have come out, just add them to your one of the balls lying in the mixing bowl. Okay, now what's very important is to use a nice non-stick pan and brush on some ghee. Ghee will give another level of flavor. Keep the parchment paper on the parantha on and slap it onto your non-stick pan. Slowly pull away the parchment paper. It comes out quite easily. This one I rolled out really thin. So it's up to you whether you want to roll it out thin or keep a little thickness. I'm going to show you another one where, and if you get these little cracks, don't worry, just press them together. It works out absolutely fine. I'm going to make another one where I've rolled it out a little thicker, and that works well too. So here's one, and it goes into the plate, and here's another one that I rolled out a little thicker. Maybe we should make them a little thicker. It's easier to flip and all that. And look at the color, beautiful. The turmeric has taken the color, and all the spices and all the onions. Oh, it's yummilicious. Enjoy these paranthas with a little curry, with some butter chicken, or have it just with some butter on its own, or roll up some stuff into it and use it as a nice wrap. It turns out absolutely yummilicious. I've just added a little more butter on top. We never have enough of butter. And keep them, and you can store these in your refrigerator for about a week and they'll stay soft as ever. And when you want them, just pull it out and microwave them. Thanks for watching. See you soon.